Today I'm going to show you how to remove paint off your floors without damaging them. Because most floor damage doesn't come from the paint, it comes from the person trying to remove the paint. I've cleaned houses for over 30 years. I've cleaned inventory homes, model homes, construction homes, sheetrock dust. I've cleaned up after DIY homeowners. So we're going to start, and I'm going to show you step by step how to remove this paint with the least aggressive method, and I'll work my way up. Okay, this is what we're dealing with today. Paint splatter from paint, and then globs of paint that have been stuck on the floor. Okay, we're starting with the least aggressive method, and that would be soap, a plastic scraper, and some hot water. Now this does really well on the splatter because it's like really thin and it just works really well. But if that doesn't work, then we go to the second aggressive method, and that would be rubbing alcohol. Spray it and let it soak a little bit and then wipe it off. Try to finesse it with your plastic scraper, and that gets most of it up. Now, this is a vinyl plank floor, but you can use it for hard floor, tile floor, all floor types. This works on without damage. And if that doesn't work, our last aggressive method is paint thinner, but you have to make sure it says mineral spirits. You have to turn on your exhaust fan, use glove and precautions, especially in an enclosed area, because this is super strong stuff, but it does work. Look, it gets those paint splatters up like really easy right away. You will also have to rinse this off really well after you're done removing. Oh, what I would not do is what you probably saw in another video is steam it. Okay, that might work, but at the end of the day, under most flooring is glue. It can melt the glue and hurt the integrity. It's not a good idea to use a steamer. Okay, so now we're going to deal with the big splotches of paint. So I take the rubbing alcohol as you see, and I spray it and just let it sit and soak and like soften up that paint. And then the other spot, I use the soap, water, and plastic scraper, and you're going to see kind of the results. The rubbing alcohol does get it up a little bit better. But just like the splatter, if that doesn't work, then we bring out the mineral spirits, make sure we have the fan on, gloves on, all the things, and you keep moving it, and it takes it off really, really well. But this floor has little grooves in it. And if you'll notice that takes it off, but you still have some in the groove. So I get a little wooden skewer and I very carefully just finesse the paint that is left in the cracks. And I even can dip it in the mineral spirits with a paper towel and just keep wiping and finessing it back and forth till it's completely gone. I use these three methods on all floor types, and it does not cause any damages and leaves it perfect. If you found this video helpful, give me a like and good luck with your cleaning.